Welcome to our channel. Today is the bakery 3D design showcase. In this case, the customer did not have special requirements, so the shelf area and tables and chairs were regularly arranged for the convenience of guests. However, this time the store color matching customers want to match the product packaging design they designed, so we have made the same brown and diamond stripe design on the container and the modeling wall as on the packaging. The store is mainly decorated in white, with wood grain patch shelves, which not only makes people feel clean and bright here, but also increases the overall texture of the bread decorations, making the store appear more layered. If you are interested in our videos, welcome to subscribe to our channel. We will bring more design display and sharing.